Construction Man.
We had to build it with the Hulk one.
So what are we going to use this all for? You got to get in the video.
You
got to tell them what we're about to build.
We had to build a robot. After we build a robot, we will a Spider-Man robot.
A Spider-Man robot?
After.
All right, so we got to turn the Hulk into a Spider-Man robot, right?
No, we had to do Hulk.
So we got to do a Hulk robot?
And then we had to do a Spider-Man robot.
So what we got to do is we have to do something. We got to take this out his back. And then we have to put our secret tool in his back to make him a robot, okay? So come on, you got to put it in.
Where's the hammer?
Where's the hammer?
You want to do this. You want to do this?
Okay, we can do that.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
He's energizing. So, I am Hulk Robot.
Mommy.
I can do everything.
Mommy, and I'm ready. You got to do the orange now. And you do the orange and the eggs, it will be ready. Okay?
All right. So now so you have to do the arms.
Okay. What else?
How are we gonna do the arms?
How we will do the orange? You will just have extra ones. My secret, Mommy.
All right, let's do this.
Mommy, how do I do it?
So we did a pinch, but this is like
Like the other one.
like an energizing pinch. So we got to do a pinch for this arm. We did this, so this arm is energized. And then we gotta do this.
Mommy. You're doing it the wrong way. You eat this or something.
You want to cut? Look what he wants to do, y'all. He wants to saw the Hulk's arm. You want to do that? You're going to cut his arm off. Savvy, I get in the video. Oh no, that's going to hurt me.
Hey, Hulk.
Don't do that, please. You're going to hurt me.
Oh,
He's scared, Say.
I didn't have to eat your Hulk. Sorry, Hulk.
All right, so is he finished?
We almost finished. We had a Mama, how to build a robot with wheels. Mom, the wheels are stuck. The wheels are stuck. Oh, I know where the wheels stuck. Sorry, Hulk. I had to do this.
I'm scared. Oh, you're doing his heart?
And like, hey Hulk, no, you know why I don't need a heart?
You're making my heart to be a robot heart.
No, I'm not making a yellow. I'm not making a robot heart.